Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class of Palayal Public School. How are you? Hope you all are good at home and enjoy your classes. Students, in this class, we are going to start our new chapter, which is chapter number 12, words used instead of noun. It means pronouns. The words used in place of nouns are known as pronouns. Okay, like nouns. What is the Hindi meaning of noun? Is sangya. एंड प्रोनाउन सरनाम. ओके, जो शब्द संज्ञा के स्थान पर बोले जाते हैं उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? सरनाम. ओके, दैट मीन्स द वर्ड used in place of noun are known as pronouns. Is that clear? The word I, you, he, she, it, we, they, me, us, them, which are used instead of nouns are called pronouns. The pronoun I is always written as a capital letter. Is that clear? Now look at the picture and then read the sentence with me. Okay, first, I am a boy. Look at me. I am a boy. Look at me. Here I and me stand for the boy. ओके, किसके लिए यूज किया गया है यहाँ पर? आई एम मी, बॉय के लिए. ओके, वी आर बॉयज. वी आर बॉयज. लुक एट अस. हियर वी एंड अस स्टैंड फॉर द बॉयज. यहाँ पर सिंगल वन बॉय था तो हमने आई और मी यूज किया है, और यहाँ पर देखो टू बॉयज हैं तो हमने क्या यूज किया है? वी एंड अस. ओके, नाउ लुक एट दिस. यू आर अ पीपल. I like you. Okay, you are people. Means two people say. Here you and you stand for the people. Okay. Now next is he is a beggar. He is a beggar. Look at him. ये beggar है. देखो इसको. और he के साथ हमने किसका यूज किया है? Him. Okay. Here he and him stand for the beggar. किसके लिए यूज हुआ है he और him? Beggar के लिए. Because he is a man. Okay, now next is she is a nurse. She is a nurse. Look at her. She is a nurse. Look at her. Okay, here she and her stand for the nurse. यहाँ पर she और her किसके लिए यूज किया गया है? नर्स के लिए यूज किया है. We use she for girls and women. Okay, now look at this. It is a tree. It is a tree. Touch it. Here it and it stand for the tree. किसके लिए यूज हुआ है? Yes, tree के लिए. हमने क्या यूज किया है? It. Okay. They are boys. They are boys. Look at them. ये जो यहाँ पर ये boys हैं और उनको देखो. So we use they with them. हम they के साथ किसका यूज करते हैं? them का यूज करते हैं. They are flowers, small them. They are flowers, small them. Here they and them stand for the flowers. यहाँ पे किसके लिए यूज किया गया है? they और them? flowers के लिए. Now read this. The words I, you, he, she, it, we, they, me, us, them, which are used instead of noun are called pronouns. The pronoun I is always written as a capital letter. Okay, now learn this also. The pronouns he and him stand for one boy or one man. He और him हम किसके लिए यूज करते हैं? one boy और one man के लिए. The pronouns she and her stand for one girl or one woman. वन गर्ल और वन वुमेन के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? शी और हर. ओके, द प्रोनाउन इट स्टैंड फॉर एन एनिमल, अ प्लेस और अ थिंग विदाउट लाइफ. ओके, वी यूज स्टैंड फॉर एन एनिमल, अ प्लेस और अ थिंग विदाउट लाइफ. द प्रोनाउंस दे एंड देम स्टैंड फॉर मोर देन वन पर्सन, एनिमल, प्लेस और थिंग. Pronoun replace noun. जो वर्ड्स नाउन को रिप्लेस करते हैं उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? प्रोनाउंस. ओके, नाउ लुक एट दिस. Replace the underlined nouns with pronoun and rewrite the sentence. Choose the pronouns from the box. One is done for you. Okay, look at this. We use these words: I, you, he, she, it, we, they, me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. Okay, look at this sentence. Ravi said, Ravi is a good boy. ओके, सो यहाँ पर 2 टाइम रवि लिखा है. अब हम क्या करेंगे? जो सेकंड टाइम जो हमने रवि लिखा हुआ है उसको हम रिप्लेस करेंगे प्रोनाउन से. सो रवि सेड ही इज अ गुड बॉय. लाइक दिस यू ऑल डू द एक्सरसाइज. ओके, everyone likes Ravi. So what we write here? Everyone likes him. Okay, now yes, now it's time to do exercise of this chapter. So mother is a good cook. Mother is a good cook. So mother makes delicious cake. So what we write the place of mother? Mother is a woman, no? So what we use? She. She makes delicious cakes. Delicious cakes. Okay, we all love my mother's cake. We all love my mother's cake. So what we write here? We all love. Yes, what we write here? Wait. Yes, yes, my mother की जगह हम किसका यूज करेंगे? What we use with she, her. We all love her cakes. We all love her cakes. Now next is Johnny is a singer. Johnny is a singer. Johnny is a boy. Johnny can sing any kind of song. So what we use with the place of Johnny? He. So he can sing any kind of songs. Any kind of, he can sing any kind of song. Is that clear? Now moving to the next page. People want to hear Johnny sing. So what we write here with the place of Johnny? People want to hear him sing. Okay, so we write people want to hear him sing. Okay, now next is the children are playing. Children मतलब बहुत सारे हैं. So the children are playing in the garden. What we use? The place of the children? They. We use they are playing in the garden. In the garden. Yes. Now next is do not disturb the children. Do not disturb them. What we use with the place of the children? Them. So what we write here? Do not disturb them. Do not disturb them. Okay. Now next. Look at this. The elephant is a big animal. Okay. The elephant can lift heavy things. So what we use with the word the elephant? The place of the elephant, क्या use करेंगे हम यहाँ पर? It. So what we write here? It can lift heavy things. It can lift heavy things. It can lift heavy. It can lift heavy things. Children love to ride on the elephant. So what we write here? Children love to ride on it. Children love to ride on it. Okay. Children love to ride on it. Okay. Now next is Raju and Ronak are brothers. Raju and Ronak are twins. So what we use? They. They are twins. So right here, they, T-H-E-Y, they are twins. T-W-I-N-S, twins. They are twins. Okay. When you look at Raju and Ronak, you cannot find any difference. When you look at them, because we use they and them. Okay. So what we write here? When you look at them, you cannot find any difference. Okay. When you look at them, you cannot find any difference. Okay. Now moving to the next point. Okay. Yes, look at this. Stop, Mohan. Go and change your dress. Okay, stop, Mohan. Go and change your dress. I do not like Mohan in this dress. I do not like you in this dress. So what we write here? What we write here? I do not like you. I do not like you in this. I do not like you in this dress. Okay, again, I like you in your blue suit. I like you in your blue suit. Okay, next, the little girl said, look at the little girl. The little girl said, look at me. The little girl said, look at me. Look at me. Okay. Now moving to the next page. Open your next page. Okay. Yes. The little girl said, the little girl is dressed as Snow White. So what we write here? She said, okay, she is dressed as Snow White. She is dressed as Snow White. Okay, is that clear? Now moving to the next question. Look at this. Circle the word in the box in the grid and then complete the sentence given after them. Okay, so look at these words. What is right here? Them, us, her, it, him, and you. So Yes. Where is write them? Here. THEM, them. So we circle on it. Okay. US, us. Here it is. US, us. HER, her. IT, it. HIM, him. Here it is. HIM, him. YOU, here. YOU. Is that clear? Okay, now look at this. We like to play with, yes, we like to play with them. So what we write here? Them. THEM, THEM, them. Okay, they are good boys. We like to play with them. They are good boys. Okay, look at us. Look at us. US, us. Look at us. We all are wearing new school uniform today. Look at us. देखो हमें आज हमने अपनी नई स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म पहनी है. Okay. Now moving to the next point. Yes. Third number. You can give this book to him. He wants to read it. Because यहाँ पर क्या लिखा हुआ है? He लिखा है. That's why we use him here. We write him here. Okay. HIM. Him. You can give this book to him. He wants to read it. Okay. Why have dash all come here? What? Why have you all come here? Why have you all come here? Okay. This is uniform. She is a nurse. What we write here? This is her uniform. HER, her. This is her uniform. She is a nurse. Okay. Next is, we like to live in Delhi. We like to live in Delhi. Yes. Is the capital of India. You will also like. Okay. It is the capital of India. It is the capital of India. You will also like it. it. Okay. So students, I think that's enough for today's class. We will meet in next meeting. Till then, you read the chapter and try to understand it, what is in the chapter. And fill your book in neat and clean handwriting and send it to your teacher. Take care. Bye-bye.